Hey guys, it's your girl Sarah B Beauty. I'm bringing you guys an affordable nail look, y'all. Y'all see these nails? Y'all, these are press-ons that I bought from Walmart and Walgreens. So, I'm going to be showing you guys. You know I've been on a non-spin, so I haven't been buying anything. But I just wanted to bring a few nails to you ladies while we're on this quarantine so we can still keep our appearance up, our nails looking good while we're in the house. So my first pair is gonna be, I got these at Walgreens, y'all. These are by Kiss, and these are the long length coffin nails, high volume gel, 28 nails in here. Y'all look at these. These are so good. You wouldn't even be able to tell you didn't go to the nail parlor to get your nails done, y'all. Like, these look amazing. You ladies have to grab some of these. Your girl is doing all this while on non-spin, and we're doing it on a budget, y'all. We ain't spending a whole lot of money. We're going to look like we spent a whole lot of money, but we didn't. So, here's my next pair. These are by Salon Perfect, and these are kind of short. So, I'm going to say these are probably going to be the size these are right here, which is they short with the little rhinestones on there. So I would say these are going to be short because that's what they look like. They look like a peach, iridescent peach, and then these is like a, what do you call it? A flat base peach with the rhinestone detail. I'm trying to make it not track on my face, y'all. I don't know if y'all are able to see it, but hopefully you ladies are getting a good glimpse of it. And then I have these white ones. These are long. These have 28 nails in there. It says amazing gel look, ultra smooth formula, sculpted nail. And these are by Kiss. So these are clear. These are clear with rhinestone. And then these are like a flat white. It don't have a gloss to the nail. But y'all, you can always add some gloss if you wanted to, like that High Shine by Sally Hansen. She has a High Shine fingernail polish. I have some over here, but I don't want to get up and leave you guys and be up grabbing stuff because I should already have it ready. But y'all, these are pretty. You wouldn't even be able to tell that you didn't go to the nail salon to get your nails done. Y'all, I'm putting y'all up on game to save money because I used to be one in the parlor like every week, every 2 weeks, getting my feet and hand done. I'll still go get my feet done, but while we're on quarantine, I'm using that little tub that you can buy at Walmart, like for gift time and for Christmas. You know, they put those little foot tubs out, and then you can, I think they have the ones that run by battery, and then they have the one you plug up in the wall. I have the one you plug up in the wall, the foot spa. That's what I have. That's what I'm trying to say. And at the end, I'm going to show you guys how to make these nails last on your fingers for at least, they going to last 2 weeks, I promise you. Try to take them off, it's going to be hard, but I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Okay, so I have these Kiss. These are, let's see, I was trying to see the length of them. It's 30 nails in here. And then it says 12 accent nails. So in all, you're getting 30 nails, and these are long. So, can you ladies see that? Yeah, it looks, the light is showing up maybe a light color, but they're not. They're really light. You have a flat base peach, peach, and then you have a iridescent peach. And then you have, of course, the rhinestones. Y'all, they pretty. They look good. They look like you went to the nail spa and got your nails done. Y'all, you know, I could have just did some. And then these are at Walmart for $3.94. My daughter bought me these. And these are a neon color. It looks like a neon yellow to me. And it's 33 count in there. And y'all, they look good. I haven't worn these yet. I haven't tried them. But I just thought it was a good deal. So I told her about them, and she bought me the color. So she bought me some blue ones just like those. So I can see they not old. I haven't used them, but the carton is ripped. But they look like that, y'all. Excuse my pink finger because I didn't let the glue dry the way and it came off, and I didn't have time to put it back on. So, yeah, those are the blue ones. And then these are the Kiss Long in the pink. Y'all look at them. These are like a neon pink too. And they have 28 nails in here. Y'all, these are really pretty. I don't think that the light is going to give it justice. But, y'all, these are really... Okay, White, what you doing? What you doing? Okay, y'all, the last thing I have for you guys is what to keep them on with, y'all. I promise y'all, you're going to thank me later. You're going to be like, girl, beauty, you was right. Okay? The Gorilla Glue. Get this one with the blue top, y'all. This sucker right here will have your nails on for 2 weeks, and I'll still be trying to take them off, and still they hurt trying to come off. They be on tight. Feel like you went to the nail parlor, but you did. You did, but at home. But nobody else has to know that. But yeah, guys, that's what I want to bring you guys and show you guys. During this quarantine time, y'all. I know it's a stressful time. Y'all, all we can do right now is pray, because what is happening right now around us, y'all, it's totally up in God's hand. There's nothing nobody can do. If God don't fix it, nobody can fix it. So what I'm doing is I'm staying prayed up, y'all. That's all you can do. You can stress about it. I mean, it's not going to do anything but make you sick. So you may as well just get on your knees, get on your face, and pray. Because that's what your girl be doing. Every morning I pray. Every morning I dedicate a certain time to God. Every morning when I first wake up. That's how I start my day. But alright, y'all. I'm going to see you guys in another video. Remember to stay blessed. I love you guys.